Asaro.
Good morning.
Good morning. Do you have an offer in your case?
I do have an offer. I was hoping to get an opportunity to confer with the prosecutors before speaking to my client.
Okay. I can put you in breakout room 6 with the other attorney, and once she logs on, I'll put her in there with y'all.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning, Attorney Saldivar.
Good morning.
Do you have an offer in your case?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one moment. Thank you.
And ma'am, we did the paperwork last week, so this paperwork should already be ready. I just need to go over it with him.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Morning, Miss Trish.
Deborah, can you hear me? This is Teresa.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, because I'm having a little bit of problems with my volume. Okay, let me go back to my room then. All right, now I can hear
Okay.
you. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
What is it? Yeah. All right. All right. No. You're welcome. Okay. Oh. Que me ayude, le digo.
See that if those coordinators would change the attorney's name right away.
Yeah.
But I guess I should you know what? I need to look at that right
Deb, you're on YouTube.
now. Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. Thank you.
Yes.
Good morning, Attorney Mansour.
Good morning.
Do you have an offer in your case?
I do not know, so I was hoping to speak to the DA for a moment.
Okay, yes. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning, Attorney Miller. Do you have an offer in your case?
Good morning. I do have an offer. I just need to speak with the client.
Okay, thank you. One moment.
Okay.
Attorney Eco, we're waiting on breakout rooms.
Okay, all right. Should I go back into the breakout room I was in or just stay out here?
Just stay right here. You have an offer now?
Yes, I do.
Okay, great.
I bleeped you out, like I can't see you.
iPhone, can you put your name on there, please?
Yeah, I've got the paperwork on the screen and I can still hear you. There you go, he's got you on, there you go, now I can. Okay, so now type my name right on the first.
Thank you, Attorney Warren. Do you need paperwork? Can you chat me your email?
I don't need paperwork at this time. I'm just making an initial appearance, and I actually just wanted to get in a breakout room with the prosecutor to talk about a plea bargain on this case. Please.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay, got it. Okay. Oh, it's good with me.
Attorney, is it Mansour?
Mansour, yes, correct.
Mansour?
So
Okay.
we do not have a plea agreement in place. We're not going to move forward. But if I could just, if my client's there, I can just have a quick 2 minutes with him.
That's okay, I kind of.
Okay, we're waiting on breakout rooms right now, okay?
Okay.
Letterhead.
Thank you.
Okay, Deborah, it's Teresa Garcia. We're ready whenever the judge is ready and we have the interpreter.
It's okay.
Okay,
it's
let me
okay.
get
Why do they-
a Spanish interpreter.
Judge, the state's not even here, but it's the judge's fault.
Oh.
The judge is here, Teresa. The judge has been here. The state is.
Oh, okay, great, Judge. Thank you so much, Judge, for being here. Oh, it would be nice if the state was here as well, wouldn't it?
Exactly. Thank you.
Okay, and click to sign.
Attorneys, we're
And
waiting
do
on
it that
breakout
way.
rooms.
Okay, sweet.
Hey, Deb, do we need two interpreters, or does that same interpreter do Pashto and Spanish?
We need a Spanish interpreter right now. Yes.
Oh, so they're not here yet, right? Okay.
No.
Deborah, can I speak with the DA, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Debbie, are there any others that have fallen off besides the first one, Nathaniel Best?
No, Judge. Nobody's
Okay.
going on.
All right.
Attorney Warren, did you need paperwork?
Ma'am, actually, I need to confer with my client. Could I get into a breakout room with him, please?
Yes, one moment. Let me see if we have one available.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, Attorney Carrillo.
Good morning.
Do you have an offer in your case?
Not yet.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6 with the ADA.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Attorney Warren, we're waiting on breakout rooms.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for the update.
You're welcome.
Ms. Gusman, can I go back with Mr. Schmidt, please?
Yes. Attorney Carrillo, do you have an offer now?
I do, and I need to speak with my client.
Okay,
fine.
we're waiting on breakout rooms.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ms. Gusman, can we reset Mr. Schmidt to next Thursday? He wants to review video.
Yes, I can reset him to next Thursday. I think, set the 28th,
The 29th.
29th. Yes, I will reset him.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Attorney Warren, you can go on breakout room 2, please.
Deb, we ready on a plea or not?
Yes, Judge. This is Duarte Hernandez, Oscar.
Yeah, he's muted and he's probably not on Spanish there. And let's check with Catalina and make sure all the interpretation is set up correctly.
Yes, Judge. She's doing it right. Attorney Rodriguez.
Hang on, Catalina. He's on mute right now and he's
Yes.
probably not Spanish, so they're working on it.
Attorney Rodriguez, your client hired an attorney.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank
¿Escucho español?
No, no escucha nada ahorita.
¿Lo escuchas español?
¿Mm?
¿Lo escuchas en español?
No. Ah, ahí sí. Oscar Armando Duarte Hernández. Okay.
All right, we're good. All right, let's start this. Okay, this 2025 CC 013461, State of Texas versus Oscar Duarte Hernandez. Are you Oscar Duarte Hernandez?
Sí.
All right, good morning, sir. Could you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Lo juro.
Okay, thank you, sir. You can lower your hand. Mr. Duarte Hernandez, is it okay with you that we proceed by video conference?
Sí.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Duarte Hernandez, you're... Hang on, sir. You're charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated with a blood or breath alcohol level of 0.15 or higher. Do you understand, sir?
Sí.
That is a Class A misdemeanor, so it is punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
Sí, comprendo.
Okay, great. Mr. Duarte Hernandez, you have several legal rights, sir. You have the right to remain silent, and you also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. What that means, sir, is that you could ask the state of Texas to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During those proceedings, Mr. Duarte Hernandez, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as she would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Duarte Hernandez, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Sí, comprendo.
Good. Do you also understand, sir, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Sí, okay.
But if you want to give them up, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork that I will share with you right now, sir, called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and court admonitions. Mr. Duarte Hernandez, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Sí, ya lo miré.
Okay, do you understand what's in these documents?
Sí, comprendo.
Okay, that's great, because these documents tell me that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about. But you're telling me, Judge, I want to give up those rights because I want to get into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Mr. Duarte Hernandez, is that what you wish to do, sir?
Casi no la escuché bien.
Okay. These documents that you told me that you went over, those documents tell me, the judge, that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and you understand you have all of those trial rights that we talked about. But you're telling me in this paperwork that you want to give up those rights because you want to get into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Is that what you want to do?
Sí.
Great. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Duarte Hernandez, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. The first thing you need to understand, sir, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I do not go along with your agreement, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything that you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you. Do you understand, sir?
Sí, comprendo.
Okay, thank you, sir. Mr. Duarte Hernandez, please listen up. The state of Texas is going to tell us what that plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
It is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 130 days Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently, and in exchange, the state is agreeing to take into consideration and dismiss 2025 CR 014411, which is a possession of a controlled substance, PG1, less than a gram.
All right, Teresa Garcia, is that the agreement?
It is.
Okay, Mr. Duarte Hernandez, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Sí.
All right, Teresa, does Mr. Duarte Hernandez have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defense?
Yes.
In your opinion, is he hang on a second. Is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Oscar Armando Duarte Hernandez, please listen, sir. If you are not a citizen of the United States of America, a plea on a case like this could have serious adverse effects upon your immigration status. Those effects could include deportation from the United States of America, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, and denial of naturalization under U.S. law. Do you understand, sir?
Sí, sí, comprendo.
Okay, thank you. Then Mr. Oscar Duarte Hernandez, please tell me how you plead to the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated with a blood or breath alcohol level of 0.15 or above. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
Do you understand, sir, that I could still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Sí, comprendo.
Mr. Duarte Hernandez, has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead that way?
No, nadie.
Okay, you are doing so freely and voluntarily.
That's it.
Thank you, sir. Then I will accept your plea, Mr. Duarte Hernandez. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of driving while intoxicated with a blood or breath alcohol level of 0.15 or above. I assess punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court 130 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment, Mr. Duarte Hernandez, is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Duarte Hernandez, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal.
Judge,
Mr. Duarte,
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Also, you forgot to mention the taking into consideration the felony.
oh, I apologize. Yeah, and we will take into consideration and dismiss, let me see the case number, 2025 CR 014411, as soon as the state tenders it to me. I apologize. Mr. Duarte Hernandez, do you have any questions, sir?
No, está bien todo. Okay.
Okay, you take care of yourself. Stay well wherever you're going, sir.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, good seeing you,
Gracias.
Teresa.
You too, bye-bye.
Teresa. Oh, before she left. I just wanted to mention that even if you signed off on that dismissal, I wouldn't be able to process it. The felony court would have to do so.
Yeah. So what do you want me to do?
I'm not sure if Talia knows or if she would have to send that.
I can do that, Your Honor, if you will just cancel the submission that I sent you. I'll forward it to the 186th.
Yeah, that'd be great. Okay, I'll cancel.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, Attorney Warren needs to speak with the ADA again.
Okay.
I'll put him in breakout room 6.
I know.
Thank you, sir.
Trying to see that you're supposed to show up.
They had me there for like 1 second, but that was when the 2 streamers went the other way, so I don't know. It said transported to, so I don't know. Instead of it's
Hey, Deb, do we still need Catalina, the Spanish interpreter?
No, Judge, we do not.
Thank you, Catalina.
I didn't hear.
Good morning. Can you hear me? I don't think we have volume, sir. Good morning,
Yes,
sir.
I can.
Okay, I
I
can
can.
I can see you and I can hear you. I don't know if you can see me.
I can. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
I need one more session, please, with my client in a breakout room.
Okay, one moment.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Okay, ready. I can hear and see you. I don't know if you can hear and see me. Oh, wait. Yes, sir.
Okay, Judge, we're ready on Tina Worth.
So,
All right.
Well-
Hang on.
yes.
It's cause number 2026 CC 0000631, State of Texas versus Tina Marie Worth. Are you Tina Worth?
Yes, sir, I am.
Good morning. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right. Thanks, Miss Worth. You can lower your hand. Miss
Thank you,
Worth,
sir.
is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. You are charged with the offense of criminal trespass to private property. That is a Class B misdemeanor. So it is punishable by up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, Ms. Worth, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. Ms. Worth, excuse me. What that means is you could ask the state of Texas to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During those proceedings, Ms. Worth, your lawyer could call as many witnesses as she would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Ms. Worth, do you understand that you have those rights?
Yes, sir, I do.
Do you also understand, Ms. Worth, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can, and you do it by filling out this paperwork I shall share with you right now. It's called
Yes, Your Honor.
the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Ms. Worth, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
You understand what's in these documents?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Great, because these documents tell me that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about. But you're telling me, Judge, I want to give up those rights because I want to get into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Ms. Worth, is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor, I would.
All right, great. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Ms. Worth, evidently you do have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However,
I understand.
if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right, Ms. Worth, listen up. The state of Texas is going to tell us about that plea bargain. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
Your Honor, this is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 29 days, Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently. Defendant does have at least 29 days.
Ms. Miller, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Ms. Worth, is that what you agreed to?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Miller, does Ms. Worth have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes.
In your opinion, is she legally competent to waive her rights and enter into this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Tina Marie
you, ma'am.
Worth, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Please tell me how you plead to the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass to private property. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I plead no contest, sir.
Ms. Worth, you understand I can still find you guilty based on that plea?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead that way?
In no way whatsoever, Your Honor.
All right, you're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Worth. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that
Thank
plea,
you,
I find
sir.
you guilty. You're welcome. Of criminal trespass to private property, a Class B misdemeanor. I assess punishment at zero fine, the cost of court 29 days in the Bexar County Jail. Cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, Ms. Worth,
Thank you.
which means your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Ms.
Thank you
Worth,
very
this-
much, sir.
Well, you're welcome. This was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Ms. Worth, any questions?
No, sir. I would like to thank the prosecution and yourself. Thank you all.
Oh, you're very welcome. You take care of yourself. Stay safe, all right?
You as well.
All right, appreciate it. Thanks, Ms.
Have a
Miller.
good day.
You too.
Oh, here
All right, it's Hill.
Judge, next is Marie Hill.
It's a motion to revoke. What's going on? Do we know? Revocation?
It'll be an open plea for revocation.
Okay. All right, it's clause number, County Court Case 688-323, State of Texas versus Marie Fontaine Hill. Are you Marie Hill?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning. Could you raise your right hand, please? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, thank you. You can lower your head. Ms. Hill, is it okay that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Ms. Hill, you were placed on deferred adjudication for the offense of assault, bodily injury for 18 months on the 18th of June, 2024, correct?
Yes, sir, that's true.
All right, state's filed a motion to adjudicate you guilty and revoke that community supervision. You are aware of that, right?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Hill, do me a favor. The state of Texas is going to read an allegation to you. Listen up. Make sure you understand it, because after they're done, I'm going to ask you if it's true or not true. Go ahead, state.
Your Honor, we're proceeding on a violation of condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Marie Fontaine Fitzgerald Hill, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of March through October 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
Ms. Hill, do you understand that allegation against you?
Yes, sir, I do.
Is it true or not true?
It is true.
All right, thank you. State the other allegations.
We're going to waive the rest of them, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Hill, are you aware that based upon that one plea of true, I could find you guilty in this case and revoke your community supervision?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead true?
No, sir.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
I'm sorry?
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, Ms. Hill. I will accept your plea of true. There is no agreement. Talia, what do you want?
30 days.
And Joanne?
We would be requesting time served, Judge. She has 9 days. One of the reasons why she failed to report was because she was homeless. She's a single parent to 3 children, ages 3 and under. So we would ask
Actually,
for time served.
She's got 11 days, right?
Oh, she has 11? Okay.
Well, this thing was run on the 20th, and it said she has 9 on the 20th, and today's the 22nd, right? So that's 11.
Yes.
I mean, I didn't major in math, but I think I could figure that out, right?
Okay. Let me check with my calculator, Judge. Let me add that up. No, we'll take that.
All right. All right, then, Ms. Hill, I'm going to find it is true you violated condition number 4 of your deferred adjudication. At this time, I find you guilty of the offense of assault causing bodily injury, which is a Class A misdemeanor. I assess punishment at 0 fine, the cost of court, 11 days in the Bexar County Jail. Cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, Ms. Hill, which means your judgment is in fact satisfied by the time you've already served. Ms. Hill, this was an adjudication of guilt. Following a deferred adjudication, you have limited rights to appeal, which your lawyer could further advise you about. Ms. Hill, do you have any questions? I gave you time served.
Okay. Yes, sir, I do understand.
Any
No
other-
further questions. No, sir, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. You take care of yourself. Stay well, all right?
You as well. Thank you.
Thanks, Joanne.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too. All right, wow.
Judge,
Yo.
can we do the bonds? I have Luis Flores. He's going to be a reset, and Mario Lindsay is also going to. You're sending that case back. No agreement.
Hang on, just a second. Something's wrong here. It won't let me sign. Give me a moment here. All right. Imagine that. I left out the court reporter's name. Oh my gosh, Angelise will kill me.
Yeah.
And now let me sign it. All right, say that again.
Can we do the bonds? We're waiting. The only one we're waiting on is the Posh 2, and they're still in a breakout room with the interpreter.
All right, and then you got to tell me what's going on. Dustin Dean.
Dustin Dean, Oh, that's gonna
Yes,
be-
sir.
You ready?
We've accepted the plea bargain offer of, and we're ready to do paperwork right now, sir.
Okay.
Okay, you can go back in breakout room 2, please.
Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
and then Luis Flores?
We need
Luis?
time to contact the complainant on that case, Your Honor. He's
Right, so
a
that's go-
long
that's
haul
going
truck
back.
driver.
We just did Hill. Okay, Mario Lindsay?
It's no agreement. We're sending it back.
All right, and then.
Right, Your Honor.
Pashto. Okay, great. Yeah, we can do bonds. Let me get off YouTube.
Okay,
Is Adam
thank you.
here? Adam Paul's here? Yeah, Adam's.
Adam is here.